Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to reset your Minecraft settings back to their default options. First, open Minecraft on your device and go to the main menu. Now select Settings. Here you'll find different categories such as video, audio, controls, and touch. To reset a specific setting, open the category and look for the Reset to Default option. Tap it and confirm if Minecraft asks you to. If you want to reset more settings, go through the different categories and restore the options you wanted their default values. Keep in mind that resetting settings changes your preferences, but it doesn't delete your Minecraft worlds or account. And that's it. Your Minecraft settings are now back to default. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment for more Minecraft tutorials. Thanks for watching.